Good morning, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker with RJO Futures, with morning comments about the stock index futures. What do we have? We have the beginning of the summit meeting in the Eurozone, and we'll see how that goes. That's a two-day meeting. I don't expect anything right out of the gate. What else did we have? We had the healthcare issue from the Supreme Court, and to tell you the real truth, I was a little confused. They were going to uphold it without a penalty. I don't know if you can have a law without a penalty, meaning if you don't want to do it, then nothing bad would happen to you, but it's a law. So we'll see how that digests, and there'll be a lot of comments and analyzing of the Supreme Court. To me, they kind of tap dance for the Supreme Court. When it affects the S&P, we were already slightly negative, concerns about Europe that they're not going to come through with any more stimulus. And then, of course, we're looking at the U.S. economic reports, initial claims, kind of a goose egg, GDP. Well, I mean, 1.9, but they're looking for 1.9. To me, that's a goose egg. When you get exactly what you're looking for, there's no change and there's very little noise. So then we go back to the healthcare issue, and you know, a lot of people say that it's a downdraft in the stock market, but it really, in my opinion, and I could be wrong, it was JP Morgan. They had a $2 billion problem. Now it's ballooned to $9 billion, and they're still half in the trade. How do they get out? Everybody knows what trade they're in, and how do they get out and find someone to take the other side? We'll wait and see. With all that in mind, we're down about 13 or 15 in the S&P, 1312 in the September S&P future contract. Remember, we have minor support around 1302. We have decent support around 1288. And if we rally up and we can ever close above 1326 to 1330, then the bulls would take kind of control. Right now we're in a consolidation. People really don't know, and the volume's been a little weak. Remember to call me, Jeffrey Friedman, and ask me any questions that you want. Short-term, long-term, fundamental, technical, on any market you want. 800-826-4124. And remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, is not suitable for everyone. Good luck and good trading.